News stringer assigned to a peaceful George Floyd protest. This is how the Santa Monica Police and police officer Mora tampered with evidence, meaning the body cam footage that he was wearing, the officer in the green, was never turned in, or they got rid of it. It's funny how all the footage from his body cam after this incident of using excessive force was turned in on a discovery. But on discovery, the excessive force that was used on the news stringer vanished. And this case was dismissed as federal lawsuit on a summary judgment. But this is what the cops do. Not all the cops do it, but a lot of the police departments do it. They get rid of evidence that looks bad for them. Sad. Woman was being arrested. The curfew was called in too early. Peaceful protest. And the news stringer was attacked by the cops for recording it, and actually got a federal judge to go along with it. Lawyers spent 50 grand on this case, but somehow they got a summary judgment. Really sad, really sad. Here's the assault with the cane, the baton. Trying to record news. And when he was on the ground, they turned him around. He got a concussion, and they were all over his back. He couldn't breathe. All that footage was not turned in on discovery on the federal lawsuit. It just disappeared. And I admit there was some violent protests throughout the city when this was going on, but there were a lot of peaceful protests. I applaud the Bronx protesters that got a settlement in the class action lawsuit when they were attacked by the cops. I applaud those lawyers. This lawyer in this case was actually fired because he didn't get the footage. This woman was being attacked over here, as you can see. The news stringer is running to get the footage, and I guess they did not want him to get the footage, and they attacked the news stringer. The protest, there was a curfew at I believe 2 o'clock, which is unconstitutional. They're being sued now on a class action lawsuit to Santa Monica Police. But it was called in way early, and they still got the summary judgment. His footage vanished, and it's funny how all the other footage after this was turned in to the lawyers on discovery. But the main footage, where it shows the cops on his back, he couldn't breathe, was not turned in. So tampering with evidence is a crime, but they still got away with it. So keep that in mind, folks. They can and will delete certain evidence on discovery. It happened to the news stringer. I hope you learned something from this video.
Keep going. Keep going, man. It's all good. Keep going.
Let's go. He's under arrest. He's under arrest. Immediate. Let him go.
way.
We will get back.
Keep going that
We will
way.
get back. What is this for, though?
Get back. Keep
What is
going
this
that way.
for?
Get back. Get back.
Can you answer a question? What is that for? What is he
Keep
being
going that way.
arrested for? What is he being arrested for? Nothing. You don't want to answer for anything? What is he being arrested for? Nothing? No one? He's saying he can't breathe? Get the fuck off of him! Get the fuck off of him! If he can't breathe, you know you don't want this